Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a gallon of tea. I'm going to be making dragon fire for this one. So I got 8 ounces of hot water in my shaker cup, and I'm adding a tablespoon and a half of tropical fruit punch stevia. I'm going to be using our original tea, and I'm using a tablespoon and a half of that as well. Pour that in your shaker cup. I'm going to be using Mandarin Aloe. I'm going to add that to the shaker cup. This is great for on the go or to keep in your fridge for a quick, easy tea. I just got a gallon from our local grocery store. You can get any one just as long as it says a gallon. You may have to take some water out for your product to fit. You can always add water back into it. I'm adding orange Tangerine Mio. I usually do 2 to 3 good squeezes. It's probably gonna be like a quarter of the bottle, but shake it up and it's good to go. Thanks for watching.